Titanium is one of the strongest and most valuable metals in the world. From aircraft engines to space technology, it plays a critical role. Today, we will see how titanium is produced, starting from mining the ore all the way to final dispatch from one of the largest titanium plants. Titanium production began at the mine. Rutile and ilmenite ores are extracted using heavy excavators and dump trucks. This raw material contains titanium oxide mixed with other minerals. After mining, the ore is transported to the processing plant. Large trucks and conveyor systems move thousands of tons of ore every day. Efficient logistics are essential at this stage. At the plant, the ore is crushed and ground into smaller particles. This increases surface areas and prepare the material for separation. Heavy crushers and mill operate continuously in this stage. The crushed ore is processed to achieve higher titanium concentration. Gravity and magnetic separation remove unwanted minerals. The result is a high grade titanium concentrate. The concentrated ore is dried to remove moisture. Controlled heating prepare it for chemical processing. This step ensures stable and efficient reaction later. The dried concentrate enter a high temperature chlorination furnace. Here it reacts with chlorine gas and carbon. This produces titanium tetrachloride known as TiCl4. Titanium tetrachloride is purified using distillation. Impurities like iron and vanadium are removed. Only highly pure titanium chloride move to the next stage. This is the heart of titanium production. Purified titanium chloride react with molten magnesium inside sealed reactor. This result is a solid titanium sponge. The titanium sponge is carefully removed from the reactor. This process happens in an oxygen-free environment. Strict safety controls are maintained at all times. The sponge is crushed and sorted into controlled sizes. Uniform sizing ensures consistent melting quality. Automation is widely used in large plants. The titanium sponge is melted into vacuum furnace. Vacuum arc or electron beam melting remove remaining impurities. Pure molten titanium is formed. The molten metal is cast into large titanium ingots. Each ingot can weigh several tons. These ingots are slowly cooled to maintain strength. Ingots are forged and rolled into plates, bar and billets. Massive presses and rolling mills shape the metal. Titanium strength required extremely powerful machinery. Titanium products undergoes precision machining and testing. Ultrasonic, mechanical and chemical tests ensure quality. Aerospace grade titanium follows zero defect standards. The finished titanium products are packed and dispatched worldwide. From mining to dispatch, every step requires precision, power, and control. This is how the largest titanium plants deliver one of the most advanced metal on earth. Thanks for watching.